Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the previous year questions in AIMS. So first, identify the instrument. The instrument which is shown in the picture is esophageal temperature probe, or actually rectal temperature probe also. It is used in NICU for measuring the temperature of the rectum in the babies. Okay, rectal temperature probe actually. Then the next question. 5-year-old boy has peculiar features. He has peculiar features: enlarged head, hepatomegaly, protuberant abdomen, breathing difficulty, obstructive sleep apnea, and cardiac valve thickening. A baby with hepatomegaly, peculiar facial features, enlarged head, hepatomegaly, hepatosplenomegaly, protuberant abdomen, difficulty in breathing, and obstructive sleep apnea, always think of Hunter's syndrome. Hunter's disease. This Hunter's disease is a mucopolysaccharidosis type 1 disease. It is a severe progressive disorder with multi-organ and tissue involvement, and it can result in premature death less than 10 years of age. Okay, if you see Hurler's disease, this Hurler's disease will present with almost similar features, but in Hurler's disease you will see one more. You will see corneal clouding also is seen, and here this Hurler's disease is seen in months babies. It is seen in 6 months to 24 months of age. You will see this Hurler's disease. Okay, obviously Fragile X syndrome, it is like large ears, large ears, long nose, testicles will be large, all those will be there in Fragile X syndrome. It is completely different. And even Tay-Sachs disease is also a little different condition. So in Hurler's disease, if the same clinical features are given with corneal clouding and the age group is 6 months to 24 months, then you can think it is Hurler's disease. Then next question. BCG is maximally protected against. It is maximally protected against CNS disseminated tuberculosis. BCG is maximally protected against CNS disseminated tuberculosis. Then next question. Maximum steroid produced by fetal adrenals is dihydroxyepiandrosterone sulfate is the maximum steroid produced by fetal adrenal. Maximum steroid produced by the fetal adrenal gland is dihydroxyepiandrosterone. Which of the following is true statement regarding Turner syndrome? Remember, Turner syndrome with webbed neck is 3 times more likely to develop CVS defects than with non-webbed neck. Turner syndrome with webbed neck is 3 times more likely to develop cardiovascular disease than the non-webbed neck. That is the main important true statement. Then see, next option we will see coarctation of aorta is more likely in non-webbed necks. No, actually it is more likely in webbed neck patients. Okay, then if you see the next statement, Noonan syndrome patients, male Turner's or Noonan syndrome is much more likely to have CVS defects. Actually, CVS defects are more common in Turner syndrome followed by Noonan syndrome. Okay, in Noonan syndrome you will see presence of pulmonary stenosis to be more common. Then Turner syndrome with webbed fingers and toes are associated with visceral anomalies. Turner syndrome with webbed fingers and webbed neck and fingers are mainly associated with increased congenital heart diseases. Okay, next question. A video of a child is shown. Video of a child is shown having respiratory distress with audible grunt and asked about the Silverman's Anderson score. So what is the video is not given here, so we cannot answer this question. I'm sorry. Next, even this is a video question. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching.